Today in this video we are going to make a simple Wi-Fi controlled robot with nodemcu. So I have made this as easy as possible. Some of them already asked me to make a robot, so I have made this now, and I have created my own app using MIT app builder. So let's get into the video and see how it's working. And this is Creative Crackers Not 7. I am Akash Shiva. Take a piece of foam board, dimensions or your wish, and then take a geared motor and, and the wheels to be attached to it. We require 4 geared motors for this project. With the help of a hot glue gun, we are going to stick the geared motor to the foam board. Make sure the geared motors are placed correctly so that there will be no slide edges. Place the geared motor in each corner of the foam board. That is, we are having 4 geared motors for 4 corners of this foam board. So I have completed it. You can do it the same like as I did. Now mark 2 points in the foam board so that you can cut it. You can drill it with a drilling machine. Drill 2 holes near to each other, and through these holes wires can be inserted, and I show its purpose in the future. In the upcoming session of the video. So if you want to make a drilling machine like this, I have dropped the link in the description. You can check it, or you can even click the about title card to visit that video. So now I am applying the soldering paste for a better soldering performance. Just solder the 2 wires on both the terminals of the motor and repeat the same for other motors. I haven't shown it because it will take a quite long time and the process is similar. I have skipped it. Just do like the same as I'm doing. So that's completed. Now just join the 2 terminals of the motor with each other. I have completed, but there is a mistake. I realized it only after completing it. Just wait a minute. I am going to test it with a power supply. Now just attach the motor's wheel. When I was attaching the motor wheel and doing a test drive, I have found that both the terminals are mismatchingly connected. That is, both the wheels are running in opposite direction, which should not occur. So I decided to remove the soldering and re-soldered it again. Yes, I haven't shown it because just connect both the terminals same to each other. So now you can see that it's spinning in the same direction. Yes. So now it is time to attach the motor controller with the gear motor. Just insert 2 wires into the holes which we drilled before, and then connect the wires to each of the terminals of the motor. You can see that I am connecting it. Just repeat the same. Just first of all unlade the copper from it and now connect. Gently twist and solder with our soldering iron so that it will be very strongly bonded. It's quite a difficult task because it's not easy for soldering as I have completed, and now just solder with it. After soldering, we should ensure that both the terminals should not be touching each other. So I have inserted a heatsink tube and decided to disclose it. Now just heat the heatsink tube so that it will tightly hold up the wires, and finally give a hard press. Just repeat it same for the terminal, and yes, the work is now completed. Now it's your duty to do it for another side. Now just remove the double side tape cover and paste a foam sheet, and this foam sheet is for placing our nodemcu, and place another double side tape and uncover it. This double side tape is for our motor controller. This is my self-made motor controller, which is cheap. If you want to make a one, there is link in the description, or you can even click the title card. Now just insert the wire into the socket and just screw it so it will be tightly held, and just do the same for that side too. It's a very easy process, so it's completed. So now to take two LEDs, which is for the headlight of our robot. I have taken a high powered LEDs. You can use a normal one also. Just paste the LED with the help of a hot glue gun. So now just stick it. I have taken the LED, so, and just ensure this is very strong, and I have given a second coating to it so that it will be held up tightly. Now just give a parallel connection. Join the positive and positive together, and negative terminal together, just as I am doing. I have given the parallel connection because nodemcu is capable of giving only 3 volt, so that you have to give only parallel connection. So after completed, with the help of a hot glue gun, stick a wire in this cord in the edges of the foam board. Now just solder out the both the terminals for the to establish a connection between nodemcu and the LEDs. Just solder out. Yes. Yes, completed. Now just check whether it's working or not. Yes, it's perfectly working, so there's no problem. So now our hero nodemcu enters. Just tightly place the nodemcu inside the foam board. Yes, it's completed. After completing, now we have to solder the wires to the digital pins of the nodemcu. The red wire indicates the positive terminal of the LED, and the brown is ground. Just connect the red wire with the D4 pin, the GPIO pin of our nodemcu. Yes, the connection is now completed. Now just take 4 jumper wires. Make a spring-like structure so that it will be very attractive for your friends who is seeing this robot for first time. The spring-like structure gives an attractive look to you, and now just solder this wire to the D5 pin of nodemcu. The soldering is completed. Now take another wire Now solder four wires same like this for D6, D7 and D8. Finally D8. Now it's completed. So just connect the wires to the motor controller. The motor controller we are using is L293D. So just simply insert it into the header pins. Yes, that's completed. Now 90% of the total work is completed. Now it's a simple process is to power our nodemcu. The V input voltage can get up to 12 volt and more than 12 volt can lead to short circuit of the board. So use less than 12 volt. Connect one into V in and another jumper wire to ground. Now connect the jumper wires to the output source of the L293D motor driver. So sorry for shaking because it's due to some technical error. Now it's time to upload our code to the nodemcu. Just connect a USB P-type cable into the nodemcu as lighting up shows that, and this is the code that we are going to upload it, and it is in the description. You can download it. So this is the hotspot name of a mobile, and this is the password. You have to change it according to your hotspot name and password. So I have written the codes and it took a long time for me to complete it, and I have completed, and just now I'm going to check whether the ports and the board are correctly chosen. Yes, it's correctly chosen. Now it's time to upload. Now the sketch is compiling. After compiling, it automatically uploads to the board. So now it starts to upload it. Now we have created a mini server with the nodemcu. With the help of a server, we can run our robot. So done uploading. Now open the mobile and turn on the hotspot. So you can see the name and password that have registered in nodemcu. So just reset it and open the serial monitor in the top corner. The serial monitor gives us information to which it's connecting. So it's mentioned that it's connecting, and it has given a link, that's IP address of the mobile. Just note down the IP address and search it. Now you can see that it's connected to hotspot device. This is nothing but a nodemcu. Now just need to go a web browser and type the yes. So I have created a page, and the blue color keywords suggest that it is a button. So when it's clicked, there is an operation that runs on the nodemcu. So I am going to attach external battery. It is 12 volt battery which is self-made. We can see this in the description. Now just connect it for the external power supply, because L293D requires 12 volt power supply. Yes, now it's completed. Now we can also join external battery other than 12 volt. So I have connected a battery for external performance. Now it's time for test driving, and it's worked perfectly. So now it's time for us to convert it into a application so that it will be recognized for working. So with the help of the MIT app inverter, I have started building my first app. So I have created my layout, and now it's time for me to get into codings. With the help of block diagrams, I have easily completed it. So now it's time to get into for testing. So just copy the IP address. Now after verifying which is connected, open the app. So in a column, now start typing your IP address. After completing it, just click enter. So now the setup is complete. Now just enjoy. Now it's testing time. Yes, it worked perfectly. So if you like this video, just subscribe to our channel, just comment your opinion about this, and share to your friends who have interest in electronics and love electronic projects, so they can even try this at their own. So it's time to say goodbye to you. Have a nice day. Stay creative. Goodbye. See you soon in another video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the future videos. So goodbye.